day, Jim.
After you beat this, those you miss me,
Yeah.
you probably miss the humidity.
In Florida, like we were like, the one day we had a week that was so hot, like we gotta get back to the pool. We got the outfits in there. Here it's not that hot.
They're in the teens in the summertime. And they said it was over 100 degrees at 10 o'clock.
Oh my goodness.
He rushed they just took a shower. Can't wait. You know, you're in the air conditioning. You open up the door. There's like kitties like the it's just
She has no idea how many people are coming. She has
not the place to be in the summertime. And the dust.
Oh yeah, Doris found that.
Nobody goes out. She said, well, our outside dining hall. Yeah, she said, we really are hurting. And I was like, really? Because it's so, you know, popular. She said, it's too hot. It's a shame.
Well, Las Vegas is a different place and they work at night.
Oh, okay.
Because you can't even pick up the tools. Guess what?
Yeah.